1, 2. What comes next here? Yeah, good job. 3, 4. What comes next? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes next? Yes, 10. And what comes after 10? 11, 12. And what comes after 12? 13, 14. And what comes here? 15, 16. And after 16, 17, 18. After 18, 19. And here's 20. So now we're counting number by number. You see, I count 1, 2, 3, number after number. But here, I have something different now. I have something called counting by twos. I will not counting number after number like I do, okay? I will skip one number. I will what? Skip one number to counting by twos. Let's see how. First, I start with 2. 2. And here, I will skip 3. I will skip 3. Then I will say 4. So, counting by twos, I skip one number. I do what? Skip one number. So, I start with 2 and skip 3 and move to 4. What shall I do next here? Right, skip 5. Don't say after 4, 5 when I am counting in twos. Okay, don't forget. I skip here 5 and go to 6. I go to 6. What shall I do next? Skip 7. What? Skip 7 and do 8. 8. Okay, what comes after 8 when I need to counting in twos? Don't forget, I'm not counting in general. I'm not counting number by number. I'm counting in twos. I'm counting in twos. And when I'm counting in twos, I skip one number. So when I'm counting in twos and ask you what comes after 8, I will skip 9 and say 10. 10. And what comes after 10 when I'm counting in twos? Again, I skip one number, so I skip 11 and say 12. Okay. What comes after 12? Not 13, because here I am counting in twos. I will skip 13 and say 14. 14. What comes after 14 when I'm counting in twos? I'm counting in twos, don't forget, and I skip one number. After 14, 16, because here I skip 15. I skip 15, okay? And what comes after 16 when I skip one number? 18. Good job, because I skip one number, so I skip here 17. And what comes after 18 when I skip one number, when I am counting in twos? 20. Good job. 20. 20. Don't forget, when I'm counting in twos, I skip one number. So I'm counting like that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I skip one number. I skip one number. Okay. And let's see how again we counting in twos. I told you, skip one number. So I'm counting in twos like that. 2, 4, don't say 3. Don't say here 5. Skip one number. 6 and 8, 10. Okay. Again, count with me in twos. 2, repeat after me, please, and answer with me. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. And let's answer this sheet together. Ahmed.
Mom.
Hello, Mahmoud.
Hello.
Okay. Please can you tell me, when I am counting in twos, what comes after 2?
4.
Good job, sweetie. When I'm counting in twos, after 2, 4. Good job, Mahmoud, and thank you for your answer.
Yes, lady.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, lady.
I have here number 6, sweetie, right?
Yeah.
If I need to counting in twos, what comes here after 6?
8.
8. Good job. Thank you.
You are welcome, lady.
And let's see. Hannah.
Mommy. يلا قولي هلا. Hi, lady.
Hi, sweetie. What is this number, Hannah?
10.
10. When I'm counting in twos, after 10.
After 10.
Don't forget, I'm counting in twos. Skip one number.
12.
Wow, good job, Hannah. Thank you.
Thank
Okay, let's see. Feiruz Ahmed. Hello.
Yes, lady.
Hi, sweetie. Can you please tell me what is this number, Feiruz?
14.
Good job, 14. When I'm counting in twos, what comes after 14?
16.
Good job, you're amazing. Thank you. Hello, Jessie.
Hello, lady.
Can you please, sweetie, tell me what is this number?
18.
18. Good job. Can you please tell me when I'm counting in twos, what comes after 18?
20.
20. Wow, good job, sweetie. Thank you. Can you know this number? What is this number?
Yes. 20. 22.
Okay,
24.
24. What comes next here?
26.
Thank you. You are so sweetie. Okay. Thank you. And let's see our second concept, okay? Counting in tens. Counting in tens. Here, when I'm counting in tens, I skip 9 numbers or I add 10 to the numbers that I know that I need to know what comes next. Like that. When I have 0, I skip 9 numbers here, or I will add 10. I will make it plus 10. So 0 plus 10 gives me 10. Good job. Let's see here. I have here 10. And if I need to know what comes after 10 when I'm counting by tens, okay, I will add 10 to this number or skip 9 numbers. Both right, okay? Both of them are right. So maybe you can do any way of them, okay? Maybe I add 10 here to become 20, or I skip 9 numbers and make it 20. Let's see the next one. What comes after 20? Add 10 here, 30. Okay, when I add 10 to 30, it becomes 40. And when I add 10 to 40, 50. Good job. And when I add 10 to 50, 60. When I add 10 to 60, 70. I add 10 to 70, 80. I add 10 here to 80, 90. And when I add 10 to 90, it becomes 100. So each time I add 10 to the previous number, and I will know the next number. And let's count again with us, with me. Let's count together. Yes, it's very easy. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is counting by tens. This is what? Counting by tens. And now, let's see who wants to share with me. Hello, Oliver.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Can you know this number, please? Can you tell me what is this number, please?
20.
20. When I'm counting in tens, what comes after 20? No, in tens, Oliver, please. We're counting in tens. We have here, this is headline. Do you see the number line here? Above here. Can you see what comes after 20? Counting by tens, Oliver. Here. Can you see here, Oliver? What is it? 20. This is 20. What comes after 20?
30.
30. Good job, Oliver. Thank you. Okay. Let's see another one. Let's see Perla. Perla.
Yes, lady.
Hi, Perla.
Hi, lady.
So, sweetie, what is this number?
30.
30. Can you please, when I'm counting in tens, can you tell me what comes after 30?
40.
40. Good job, Perla. Thank you. And what comes after 40?
50.
50. Good job. Thank you. And let's see Miral. Miral. Hello.
Yes, lady.
Hi, Abdullah. How are you?
We are fine, thank you.
I am fine. Thank you. Okay. Can you please, sweetie, tell me what is this number?
50.
50. And when I counting by tens, what comes after 50?
60.
60. Good job. And what comes after 60?
70.
70. Good job, Abdullah. Thank you. You're amazing.
You are welcome.
And let's see. Pavel again. Hello, Pavel. Pavel, hello.
Hello.
Hi, sweetie. Can you tell me what is this number?
7.
Good job, 70. And what comes after 70 when I'm counting in tens?
80.
80. Good job. Thank you. And let's see. Mahmoud, Adil. Mahmoud.
Hello, lady.
Okay, sweetie, can you please tell me what is this number? What is this number?
80.
80. When I'm counting in tens, what comes after 80?
90.
Wow. Thank you, sweetie. And let's take Kinda. Hello, Kinda. Can you please, sweetie, tell me what is this number?
Yes.
What is this number?
0.
0. When I'm counting in tens, what comes after 0 when I'm counting in tens?
10.
10. Good job. What comes after 10?
After 10.
11.
After 10.
I'm counting by tens.
Count about
Don't
10s.
forget. I add 10 to this number.
20.
20. Thank you, sweetie.
Hi.
What is this number, sweetie?
20.
20. Good job. And when I'm counting it by tens, what comes after 20?
30.
30. Good job. And when I'm counting also by tens, what comes after 30?
40.
40. Thank you. Amazing. Thank you. And now let's move to another part of our revision for today. Okay. Wow. Let's talk about 3 digits numbers. I need to add 3 digits numbers. I need to make an equation with 3 digits. Let's see how can I do it. First here, let's read this, our equation. Can you read with me, please? 3 plus 2 plus 5 equal. So, when I have 3 digits numbers, how can I do it? Okay, the first step I told you, hide the third number. Hide this number. And I will make 2 brackets here. I will make 2 brackets here. I will hide this one and make 2 brackets for these 2 numbers and add it together. 3 plus 2. And let's do it as plus equation. I told you before, plus loves what The bigger number. So, where is the bigger number? 3. Good job. I put the bigger number, which is 3, in my mind. And put 2 on my fingers. And count after the number that in my mind, after the bigger number. Let's count. And I count just the amount on my fingers. If I have 2, I will count just 2 fingers, okay? So I put 3 in my mind and 2 on my fingers and count after 3, 4, 5. So the result of the first equation here, 5. Okay, don't forget. I will add these two numbers together first. And 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job. What shall I do next, lady? I will take the result I have here and put it with the third number, like that. I will take this 5 and add it to the third number that I hid before. Do you remember? And make it an equation. Of course, here 5 is the same number 5, so I don't have bigger or smaller. I put any 5 in my mind and any 5 on my fingers and count. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the result here will be 10. Again, let's take another one. Here, don't forget an important point. You have to put your eyes all the time on the sign. Don't forget, if I have plus, I will make it an plus equation, an addition. But if I have minus, I will make it subtraction. I will make it minus equation. Don't forget to put your eyes all the time on the equations, okay? So don't forget the steps. The first step, what shall I do? Hide the third number. Hide the last number in the equation and make the equation with these two numbers. Okay, 9 minus 1. So, do you remember? Minus loves what? The smaller number. Good job. What shall I do next? Okay, close my fingers, count after the smaller, which is 1, to reach the bigger, which is 9. Let's do it together. You see, I close my finger and count after the smaller, which is 1, to reach the bigger, which is 9. Count with me, please. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I will see how many fingers do I have. How many fingers do you have? 8 fingers. Good job. And write it here and put it here. And after that, the next step, I will show the hidden number, which is 4. What shall I do? Don't forget to watch the sign. Don't forget to watch the sign, okay? I will see here. I have minus. So minus loves what? Minus loves what? Yes, minus loves the smaller number. Which one the smaller? 4. What shall I do? Close my finger and count. After the smaller, which is 4, to reach the bigger, which is 8. Let's count together. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers do you have, all of you? Good job. We have 4 fingers. Good job. Let's see another one, but don't feel complicated with this equation. Why? Because here I have 2 signs. Oh my God, I have here plus and I have here minus. It's okay. I will make the plus with a plus and make the minus with minus. Let's do it together. What is the first step? hide the third number, hide the last number in the equation like that. And let's do it here like a addition equation. Excellent, good job. Because we have here Mr. Plus. And Mr. Plus loves what? Good job. Mr. Plus loves the bigger number. Okay, let's see. Where shall I put the bigger number? In my mind. And the smaller number, which is 2, on my fingers. And count after 7, 8, 9. Good job. So we have here the result of the first equation, 9. So when I have the first result, I will add it to the hidden number. I will add it to the hidden number. Good job. How can I do it? I watch the sign. Don't forget, watch the sign. Okay, what is the sign here? Minus. And minus loves what? The smaller number. What is the smaller number? 9 or 3? 3. Good job. So, what shall I do? Close my finger and count after the smaller, which is 3, to reach the bigger, which is 9. Good job. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's complete. Okay, here we have number 9 minus 3. Okay, let's see how to do it. Okay, I will see 3, the smaller number, close my finger and count after the smaller to reach the bigger, which is 9. All of you close your fingers and count after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. How many fingers do you have, all of you? 6 fingers. So the result here will be 6. Good job. And let's do one example here. Okay. Here we have 7 plus 7 minus 5. What shall I do? Hide the third number or hide the last number in the equation. I will hide number 5 and do the equation with plus. Here, watch the sign. Don't forget all the time your eyes on the sign. So 7 plus 7. Here I don't have smaller or bigger. Mr. Plus loves is a bigger, but we don't have bigger or smaller. Both are equal. Okay. I put any 7 in my mind, any 7 on my finger. Let's count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 plus 7 here equals 14. Okay. And 14 minus 5 will be 9. Good job. Let's move to magic square quickly. Okay. How can I do the magic square? Do you remember? When I have here Mr. Plus in the magic square, what shall I do? Mr. Magic Square will do magic. To the sign, will it change plus into minus? Will it change plus into minus? Good job. And what shall I do next? Again, if I have 3 digits, how can I do it? First, I will hide the third or the last number like that. Okay, and make the first equation. Put 2 brackets here and make the equation. But don't forget to please all the time watch the sign. Watch the sign. Here, my sign here is Mr. Plus, and Mr. Plus loves the bigger number. Good job. And bigger number here is 7. So what shall I do? I put 7, the bigger number, which is 7 in my mind, and the smaller number, which is 2, on my fingers. And count after 7, 8, 9. Good job. I will put 9 here. So the result of the first equation is 9. It's like I will make the equation 2 equations. Okay. Let's Now show the hidden number and watch our sign. Watch our second sign here. Our second sign here is minus. And here, minus loves the smaller number. Good job. Minus loves the smaller number. When minus loves the smaller number, search about the smaller number. 3 or 9, the smaller number? Of course, 3. So, what shall I do next? In the minus equation, I close my fingers and count after the smaller to reach the bigger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers do you have now? Yes, 6 fingers. I have here 6 fingers. And now, let's move to the magic square. Yes. Here, our magic square. What is the meaning of magic square? It means that if I have addition equation like that, I am confused now because I don't have the missing number here. Lady, please, how can I get the missing number here? How can I get the missing number here? Okay, let's see how can we make how can we get the missing sound here? The missing number here. First step, I make magic. I will make magic. Here, I will make magic to this sign. All our magic is for the signs. How I will change the plus into minus. Good job. So the first magic step here, I change a plus into minus. So I will forget this is a plus and make it like minus equation. Make it like minus equation and do the same steps like I do it in the minus equation. How? Mr. Minus loves what? Yes, loves the smaller number. And which one the smaller? 9 or 5? Of course, 5. So 5 is the smaller number, so I close my fingers in the minus equations and count after the smaller, which is 5, to reach the bigger, which is 9. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers do you have, all of you? 4. Good job. So the magic square here, I will write the numbers that I have in the magic square here. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, here I have a magic square. By the way, it doesn't matter where I have the magic square, at the beginning, in the middle, but of course I can't have the magic square here at the end, because here at the end it will be the result. Okay, so the magic square means that I have a missing number here between the sign, maybe before the sign or after the sign, and also will be one number. We can't have two magic square here in the equation. So I will make magic. I will say biggity bobbity boo. What shall I do with the magic? Yes, I will change a plus into minus. I will change a plus into minus. And think. Mr. Minus loves what? The bigger or the smaller? Yes, lady. I can remember. Mr. Minus loves the smaller number. So which one the smaller, 10 or 4? Of course, 4. So what shall I do next? Close my fingers and count. After the smaller, which is 4, to reach the bigger, which is 10. Good job. Let's count. Close your fingers, all of you, and count after 4 to reach 10. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers now do you have, all of you? How many fingers? Yes, good job. We have 6 fingers. So the fingers that I have, I will write it in my magic square. Okay? Okay, lady, let's do one example for here.
نعم.
Yes, Mahmoud. Can you please answer this question with me?
Yes.
Okay. The first step, what shall I do in this magic square equation?
لا هي ندمت عليه
Yes,
ما المرة دي
it's magic, right?
11 minus 5.
Yes, I will make the plus or change plus into minus.
Minus.
And minus loves what? The smaller or the bigger?
Small.
Smaller. Which one the smaller? 5 or 11?
5. 5.
What shall I do next? Close my fingers.
No fingers. Count after smaller, reach bigger.
Okay, after 5, count with me.
After 5, 6.
Complete.
6, 7.
8.
8.
Complete counting, Mahmoud, to reach 11. We will count after 5 to reach 11.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good job. How many fingers do you have now?
6.
Good job. So the result here is 6. Good job, Mahmoud, and thank you. Okay, let's see. Yeah, can you answer this equation with me, please?
Okay. 4 plus magic square equal 50.
Which one? No, I'm talking about the second one. Magic square plus 8 equals 13. Okay? What shall I do first? Change a plus.
And 2 minus.
Good job. And Mr. Minus loves?
The bigger number.
Mr. Minus, yeah.
Smaller number.
Good job. Which one the smaller, 8 or 13?
What?
What is the smaller number here? Where is the smaller number, 8 or 13?
8.
Good job, 8. What shall I do? Close my fingers and count
Close my after 8.
to reach 13, right?
After, right.
Yes. Good job. Count for me.
8,
9,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
How many fingers do you have now?
5.
5. You're amazing. Yeah, thank you.
You're